Welcome everyone to another programming tutorial, and in this programming tutorial I'm going to show you how to do I'll just show you what it is, because I don't really know what to call it. Pick an image here. You can see I can kind of drag it around, zoom in, zoom out with the mouse wheel, move it around, kind of zoom in on the area I'm looking at. So yeah, it's kind of like Google Maps, I want to say, similar, ever so slightly. So let's start at, I don't know, the top here. Got a timer for the drawing, got a view rectangle. That's going to be what part is actually going to be drawn to the screen. And screen rectangle, which is where on the screen. Got a image, graphics, a point for the mouse, percent, and dragging. So, from unload, we create the graphics. We add a mouse wheel event handler, and that's down right here. As you can see, mouse wheel, it's an event. So every time you scroll the mouse wheel, this happens. E.delta is which direction it's going. If it's, I think it's 127 and negative 127 or something like that. Positive and negative directions, but you can just say it's greater than 0, and that'll do the same thing. You have scrolling one direction, scrolling the other direction. And then use the percentage, which I'll show you down here. It's calculated the width divided by the height. So we know how much to add to the thing so it doesn't like stretch or bend the image. Right here and here. You're going out or in. And then here's the trick. Right here, getting a piece of the image, only drawing a piece instead of the whole thing. You see the view here? That's this rectangle up here. And that view is changed inside of here. And it's also changed inside of the dragging thing where it drags, which is current position minus previous position, of course, and then resetting the previous position. And so, you know, here's mouse down, we set the position and say dragging true, dragging false, then if dragging, do the calculations for where to position it. And that view is that view rectangle. Like for instance, if we had an image that was 500 pixels wide, 500 pixels tall, and we had a view that was from 0, 0 to 250, 250, it's going to draw the top left-hand corner 1/4 of it. So it'll be, you know, 250 pixels. We'll draw that first 250 pixels by 250 pixels of the image, not the full 500 by 500. This is where on the screen it's drawn. So this is where on the bitmap it gets the drawing, and then this is where it places that drawing it gets on the screen. And this is the graphics unit that it uses to measure, so in pixels. And next part down here, of course, is the open file dialog, which is really simple. Just show dialog. Go ahead and choose your image, and then set up all this different stuff and start the timer, which is the drawing thing. So I'll show you this to show you the thing again to you. Pick this lighthouse image. And you can just move it around by moving the mouse, and of course I don't have it clearing, so it's just whatever's left over draws there. Move it around, zoom in, zoom out. That actually looks kind of cool. If you keep zooming out, it flips over. Something to keep in mind. Kind of interesting little computer concept there. How to flip images. Guess you learned that too here. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to leave a rating, comment, subscribe, everything else. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.